In this course, we will learn working with pictures, and by the end of this workshop, you will be able to name, identify, and use different types of storage for pictures. Upload pictures to the computer from camera, a USB drive, and a phone. Upload pictures from your phone to Google Photos. Create file folders to store pictures, delete pictures, and rename pictures. So I have divided this workshop into 4 parts. In this lesson, our focus will be on the first point, means name, identify, and use different types of storage for pictures. In second lesson, we will discuss second point. In third lesson, we will discuss the third point. And in fourth lesson, we will discuss all these 3 points. So basic concepts: where can pictures be stored? Different types of file extensions, just like JPEG, PNG, and GIF, and I will show you these extensions, means how you can save your pictures in these formats, downloading from different devices or hardware. So there are different places where pictures can be stored. You can store your pictures on your USB, which is also called the flash drive or the jump drive. You can save your pictures on SD card, external hardware, CD, DVD, cloud, Google Drive, and so on. So I will show you the example of few of these. First of all, we are going to start with the USB flash drive. USB or flash drive is a device that has the capacity to store pictures, documents, and much more. Means this is the example. This is the sample of a USB. Right, you can have 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, and 32 GB, and so on. Not only you can save pictures, any documents, whatever you want, you can save on the USB drive. They are inexpensive. Right, if it is 8 GB, suppose you can get in $10. As the GB increases, means the size increases, the prices increases, but again it is inexpensive, easy to share. Right, if suppose you have some documents in your USB and your friends also wants that documents, so it is easy to share. You can copy in his USB or in the desktop or wherever he wants. So easy to share, and portable means you can take anywhere because the size is small. You can take anywhere with you. Same is with the SD card. SD card is a tiny rectangular disk that fits inside the electronic devices such as camera or the card reader. So these are the examples of the SD card. You can have 2 GB, 4 GB. Again, as the GB or the size increases, the prices increases, but again they are not much expensive, right? So they are tiny and portable. Yes, you can take anywhere with you, hold vast amounts of data in small footprints, can be inserted in different devices. You can insert into your computer or into your camera, and they can hold, means much amount of data. So this is the example of SD card. Now storing pictures on your computer can save time. You can download them, modify them, and upload them in your computer. Computers are easy to use, modify and upload to social media, more expensive than other storage solutions. Yes, if suppose USB or SD card you can have in $15 or $20, but in computer you have to spend 400 or 5 or 6 or maybe more than that. So computer, if you want to store your pictures or your documents on your computer, it is expensive compared to other storage devices. Sometimes you need a USB cable to connect your camera on phone. So this about USB cable I will explain to you in the next lesson, but here this is the important point, that sometimes you need a USB cable to connect your camera or phone. How, we will discuss later on. And then these are the extensions. GIF, JPEG, PNG are the primary graphic formats used on the internet and are also variously employed in print presentation and multimedia design. All three formats utilize compression techniques for saving images in the reduced file size. Again, this is one of the most important point, that if you will save your pictures in by using these extensions, they can compress the size of the picture. Right after the last slide, I will show you how you can save your pictures in GIF or PNG and different extensions. Here is just a simple discussion that your friend needs to save his pictures and he asks you for advice. He wants something he will not lose easily, something he can view and upload the pictures to Facebook, something he can store many pictures. What do you recommend and why? Right, so we have learned USB, SD card, computers. So please read these three questions and recommend, and also let him or her know why you are recommending the USB or SD card and so on. Right, now I will show you the extension. Suppose this is your picture, you want to save it, so you have to click on this file tab and then save as. Then you have to click on this browse button. See here, working, whatever name you want to give to your file, that is fine, but save as type. Open this arrow. Here you can find out, see, this is the PNG, portable network graphic format. This is the JPEG file format. Right, similarly you can have some different formats as well. This is the GIF format. So these are the formats. When you will save your pictures in these formats, they will reduce the size of the pictures. So I hope the lesson is clear. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.